Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Riya. Why are you smiling?
Because today is special.
Special? What is it?
Wait, Mom. Close your eyes.
Oh, a surprise?
Yes, Mom. Please close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Now, open your eyes.
Wow, flowers and a gift? For me?
Yes, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, my dear. This is so beautiful.
You are the best mother in the world.
That is so sweet, Riya.
I made this card for you.
Let me see. Oh, it says, I love you, Mom.
Yes, I really love you so much.
I love you too, my child.
Mom, you always take care of me.
That is my duty and my love.
You cook for me, help me, and support me.
Seeing you happy makes me happy.
Today, I want to do something for you.
Really? What will you do?
I will help you in the kitchen.
That is a great surprise.
And I will make tea for you.
Wow, I am excited.
Mom, please sit and relax today.
Okay, I will rest today.
You do so much work every day.
It is okay. I enjoy it.
Still, you need rest.
Thank you for caring, Riya.
You are my hero, Mom.
And you are my happiness.
Let's take a photo together.
Yes, let's keep this memory.
Smile, Mom.
Always smiling with you.